Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to Algebra 1. So today we're going to learn how to use the FOIL method. So we got 3 box problems and 1 extension. So what exactly is the FOIL method? Well, it's used as a roadmap to multiply binomials. So it's actually an abbreviated term. We're going to go ahead and discuss what it means. So F stands for first. O stands for outside. I stands for inside, and L stands for last. Okay, so pretend this is X, and B is a constant, and P is a X value, and Q is just a constant. So when you see a binomial, this will be the roadmap for first. You would multiply A with P. So that will look like this. And for outside, we're going to go ahead and multiply these two values, so you get A times Q. Now inside, multiply the inside, and then you get B times P. And then last, you multiply last, which would be that. You get B times Q. Okay, now let's go ahead and see how this looks like in action. So, first example, multiply x minus 7 times x plus 11. Okay, so first we're going to do, first, and going back to this, we see A times P, so it will be x times x, x times x. Then we go to the outside. Looking back, you can use this as a reference sheet. So you just multiply the outside of the binomial, which will be x times 11. Go ahead and I. That would be the inside, B and P. In this case, it will be negative 7 with x. Oh, and also you have to add them up. And then we do last, B and Q. So I'll go ahead and be negative 7 times 11. Okay. Okay, and then you just do your basic multiplication. X minus 77. Combine like terms. And there you have it. You use the FOIL method to multiply the example. Okay, now the next one is going to be a you try. So go ahead and try this on your own. See if you can do it with using the FOIL method. Okay, hopefully you got the answer. If you didn't get the answer, that's okay. I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to do it. Okay, let's start with our first value. So I'll go ahead and be the first of the binomial. So x and x times x, okay. Plus our O, which is the outside, x times 6. And our inside, which would be right here. That would be 5 times x. And then lastly, we do last. Going back to this again, B and Q. So that would be 5 and 6. Okay. Multiply 6x plus 5x is 30. And then you should get x squared plus 11x plus 30. Ain't that neat? A little bit faster than the box method, or the tile method, area method. Sorry about that. Okay, now this is going to be an extension. So how can we use the FOIL method to multiply the following? As you can see. All right, did you notice anything different? How does this impact the FOIL method? We'll go ahead and talk about this in our next class.